So now I'm going to create a new infographic that pertains to coronavirus cases across the world. I'll just randomly pick up three countries and we'll try to show the number of cases reported, the total cases reported in those countries. I'll be using this infographic as a template. One can also look for other templates and work similar way. So first, let us try to edit the heading. Again, if one wants to do any editing in the background or anything, that's definitely possible. Just have to select it. Here, for instance, it's red in color. You can just change the color to whatever you want to. So let me just make it darker blue. Okay, now I need to start editing. So let me just write here coronavirus cases across the world. Here, it's obviously good to provide a proper source. So I'm going to be picking up data from here. This is from Google News. So I just copy this and I'm going to paste it right here. Now, let us just quickly try to edit the other parts. Now, I'm going to just remove this, or let me just write total cases here. I'll just remove this, so just select and delete. Now here I have a graph that is depicting something related to MBA versus PhD, and of course this is not related to what we want to do. So just select it, and now you have the option to actually change this graph type. For the same, what one needs to do is just select this, so double click it, and here you can see the corresponding data that has been used. What we just need to do is modify this data, as well as if you select this drop down, you can also modify the type of chart that you want to select. Now here you can see there are different types of charts available. You have bar chart, row chart, line chart, donut chart. You can actually pick up any as per your requirement. I'll pick up a simple bar chart. So what it has done is it has replaced this as a bar chart. Now I'm going to just place some values here that pertain to the coronavirus cases. So first let me see in US it is reporting these many cases. So this is the number. I'll just select it and I'm going to place it here. Okay, I did not select, so it is something like 85 lakhs. Then here I'm going to write India, and the corresponding value here is, okay, let me just go back. All right, so in India, the corresponding value is around 78 lakhs. So let me just write that. Okay, now let me add one more row and let's denote Brazil here. Okay, the corresponding value is around 53 lakhs. So I'll write here 53. All right, and that's it. The graph has changed. Let me just remove this, make space for this, and if we can make any adjustments that are required, you can definitely modify the font sizes and everything from here. That's not a problem. And once we are ready with it, we can also modify this part. So maybe let's write something here. I'll delete this and I'm going to place this up, and I'm going to pull this map here. Now, corresponding to this map, corresponding to the countries, we can start putting in some data here that will represent the number of cases in those areas or anything that's important. So we'll try to modify this part as well.